Got the Fearless. I wonder if these are the ones I brought back. Got our fourth pair, just in the size 10. Returned a pair of the Why Not 0.3s, the latest one, dude. Whoa, look at that. Some SB Dunk lows. LeBron more than an athlete, man. We've seen so many of these in the outlets. LeBron 7 China Moons, right? Wow. Alright, for those of you guys that are new to the channel, the Nike Clearance Center, there aren't too many of these throughout the entire United States. This is where all the resellers come. This is where you find the crazy deals. It's just craziness, you guys. I think I picked up the Winter S4s for $100. They were slightly scratched. I also picked up the Mocha 3s here for like $70 something. I picked up the Greek Freak ones, the All Bros colorway. Picked that up for what, like $40? Like, yeah, I found some steals, you guys. Found some steals. Let's see what's up. 20% off all footwear. See what's up. We start with the size 10s, you guys. You guys know we sell size 10s. Yeah, I've never seen the Wise Knights here. I've never seen these here at the Clearance Center. Dang, that's dope. Dope. Not a huge fan of the colorway, but I do love that silhouette. I haven't been here for over a week, so I'm seeing a lot of new stuff. The 720s, kind of a newer colorway. I've never seen this colorway here. But yeah, $100, get 20% off. These Air Max 97 Clouds down to 100. It's gone down a decent amount. 20% off. Damn, I need to pull the trigger on these, guys. Hella comfortable, man. I'm just gonna have to pull the trigger one day. Not today though. I still remember when these came out. I was like, hey, this is kind of cool. The Zoom 2Ks. I'm so glad I didn't pull the trigger. These are so ugly. Got the Fearless. I wonder if these are the ones I brought back, because it was a size 10. Well, that was a while ago, so I doubt it. But yeah, $175, but you get that 20% off. That's not bad. I'm in the size 10. I don't know why this 8.5 is here, but another pair of Wi-Fi's. These have been here for a while for you, especially for your winter people. Look at that. Yeah. Terra Gobes, man. These gone down in price a lot. These started at $100. Now they're 60. That's a steal. 60 at 30% off, 20% off, there. More of these Fearless is a separate one. Wow, that's crazy. Oh, okay, we are still finding a lot of heat. Look at this. Got the Jordan 3 Animal Pack. Got a couple pair right next to each other. So yeah, 30%. I bet you the resellers would get these, but it's only a 20%. So they're sitting. They're sitting, you guys. Another pair of the Animal 3s. That's crazy. Wow, these are gonna be at the outlet so quick. Got our fourth pair, just in the size 10. More of the Air Max 720s. You're gonna find a whole lot of different colorways of these. Go for $100, 20% off. More than an athlete, you guys. LeBron 17 more than an athlete. Yeah, it's crazy. You'll take that shroud off, put it back on, whatever you want. But yeah, going for what these going for? Going for retail, get 20% off. Barclays going for $75, and this is that hella cheap leather. Talked about this a while back. The black ones are decent. This one, like, just straight garbage. I don't know what that's about. Ooh, almost dropped it. Going for $75, you get 20. I did forget to show what I'm wearing. The Bread Force goes with my Niner hat, so that's kind of what we have to go with. Size 10.5. More Animal Pack 3s. Oh my god, these are gonna be here. These are gonna be here so quick. Always got plenty of the Vapor Max. The Vapor Max Flyknit material, super comfortable. Not a huge fan of the colorway, but yeah, go for 110, man. Get 20% off. That's crazy. Got more of the Vapor Max, going for 110. Air Max 95, going for 100. Not a bad colorway. Gray. The yellow's kind of interesting. Throw that yellow in with the gray, but not bad. Got a few pair of these at 10.5. Back History Month 2s. These are still here, and they never lower the price. I don't know why they never lower the price, because they're still here. They're always here. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Got the Kobe NXT, the AD NXTFF. So the FF stands for Fast Fit. The AD stands for after, kind of like AD in the biblical times, I guess, or AD in the Bible. So after he was done. But yeah, not too shabby. This is the newest colorway too. I'm surprised this is. I guess someone must have returned it. Size 10 and a half, though, 200 bucks. Get 20% off if you really want this. Not bad. These are already on sale. We're in the size 11s, I guess. Kind of just moving up. But yeah, these are already on sale. That's funny. They still got them for 200 though. These are like $1.50 almost everywhere. Okay, not almost everywhere. In certain outlets, or certain retail stores. Surprised these aren't on additional sale. Even Nike.com actually had them on bigger sale. That's weird. I don't know. 20% off if that's convenient for you though. One of the newer colorways of the 720s. Going for 100 bucks. I guess 20% off. The terrible, the Martine Rose. These are like a limited collab for the what is it called? For the what are these things? These are the Monarchs, the statue of the year, or statue of the last few years. But yeah, it has like big old bumps on them. I don't know what the hell that's about. But yeah, these came out for $250, 100 bucks. Go for 100 bucks, and you get 20% off, I guess. I don't know who's buying those, but I just thought that was interesting for you guys. The Elements going for 75. Newer colorways of the Elements coming. 75, get that 30% off. 20% off, my bad. I was like, what? What did we find in the size 11? And it's, oh man, it's, what the hell? Jordan Be Loyal. Who's paying $1.30? This retailed for $1.30. Who's paying $1.30 for this? Oh man, dude, someone's getting conned. Someone is getting conned. Look at that. But it's 70 bucks, I guess, if that's your thing, dude. Not too shabby. 70 bucks. Dang, I know some people are gonna love this. Look at this. I guess someone returned a pair of the Why Not 0.3s, the latest one, dude. Wow, these just came out. I guess someone already returned them. But it doesn't look like it's been worn. Does not look like it's been worn, damn. But yeah, size 11. Size 11, man. Damn, Santa Clarita. This is why people come here, because dang, you get 20% off of these, man. These bad boys just came out. I just picked these up yesterday, and yeah, I picked this up for 60 bucks, man. Dang. It's going for 90 here. At least you get that 20% off, but that's still, what, $72? Still $12 more than what I got it for. Yeah, that's why you still gotta shop around, you guys. Shop around, even at the Nike outlets. Still got the Kyrie 4s going for 80 bucks, man. Had quite a few of these in size 11 last few times. And the size 12s, man, that's like crazy because I think the East LA location or one of these had, I don't remember which location, but they had these for like $59. That's crazy. I think it was a Long Beach location. That's just crazy that these are going for 90 here. Yeah, still gotta shop around even without outlets. We are in the size 12s. Apparently this is the land of the Kyrie 4 TBs. 80 bucks. Got the navy colorway. 80 bucks. Got the gray colorway. 80 bucks. Got the black colorway. I've seen the red one here in the past, but oh wait, red colorway, 80 bucks, man. Size 12. If you like the Kyrie 4s, man, that's your spot. Whoa, look at that. Some SB Dunk lows. What the hell? These always go for way more money. Oh yeah, I'm copping this. One of the resellers must have not caught this. That's crazy. This totally got resale. 12 and a half, don't got too much. Got the Metcon 4, 75 bucks. Great for weightlifting. The Zoomfly SP. The SP usually means like the synthetic material on top. Usually comes from Nike Labs, I think. But yeah, this does have Lunarlon on the bottom. It does have the carbon fiber plate. Pretty comfortable, 70 bucks. Normally goes for $1.50, so not too shabby. Dang. Pegasus 36, you guys. It's size 12 and a half. That's crazy. These are dope colorway too. I kind of like that. I kind of like the Fruity Pebbles colorway on the bottom, but it's all white on top. That's a cool Nike sign too. Not bad. Not bad. These normally one for like 120. Going for 70 bucks and you get 20% off. Not bad. Size 13. It's not really much for you guys. There's a Kyrie 6. Going for retail. Going for retail. Pretty cool. Get them for what, $26 cheaper, so it comes out to what, 104. That's actually a pretty solid deal. 104 for some Kyries. That's what's up. Kyrie 4 going for a navy weight, going for 80. Got these in a bunch of different colors here. Got them in red and blue. Did I say red and blue? And the last one I meant black and blue, and also got the red one too. Guess they cover all the sizes in size 13, all the colorways in size 13 too. I was like, I've never seen this box. It's Nike by you, or I still call them Nike IDs, but yeah, it's pretty clean, just all white. Janowski slip. Yeah, kind of reminds me of the Vans way back when. But yeah, pretty cheap, 40 bucks, man. 40 bucks, and you get 20% off. Oh dang, almost missed out on these. Look at this. LeBron more than an athlete, man. We've seen so many of these in the outlets. What's up with that? People not feeling them. That's crazy. Dude, I need to be out of here in 10 minutes because that's when they close. I'm in the size 9, 9.5s. More Weisnards? Dang. That is crazy how many of these we've seen. People not liking them or what? That's crazy how many of those have been returned. Yeah, 200 or 180. Get that 20% off, size 9. A React type Gore-Tex? I've never even seen these. Have you guys seen these? Going for $160. Going for $160. That's crazy. No clue what the hell these are, but yeah. Yeah, going for $160. I don't know. I guess it's Gore-Tex material, which is really good for outdoors. Got the gold Vapor Max. Alright, 2019's going for $110. Get that 20 out. That's pretty decent. Dang, got some Vaporfly Next Percent. Vaporfly Next Percents, you guys. These are this is like Nike's premier stuff, premier running shoe, you guys. Got Zoom X on the top right here. Got React on the bottom, has a carbon fiber plate that runs throughout the whole thing. Hella light, super duper light. This was I think part of their. This is like the best runners pretty much wear those. Why? Because they're freaking $250, you guys. $250. At least you get 20% off, $50 off, 200 bucks. Not bad. The Air Max 98 going for 95 bucks. We're in the size 8, 8.5 now. Air Max 2 Lights going for 90. Never seen this colorway with all the Nike checks and stuff. Cool. Still got the salmon color Mox, 85 bucks, size 8.5. Wow, look, someone returned these. Wow, these are the. What is this called? The China Moon? LeBron 7 China Moons, right? Wow. It's crazy. Definitely didn't expect that. Look at that. Yeah. It's the first time I've seen one of these being returned. Wow. We got our thumbnail. I guess. Yeah. Works for me. Dang, so you want these? Get 40% or 40 bucks off, 20%. So get them for 160 instead of 200. Not bad. Size 8.5 Weisnards. Wow. I've never seen these React. Wow. Interesting colorway. Different material up top too. What the hell? It's crazy. 90 bucks. 90 bucks. Get that 20% off. Size 8 more reflective. 95. Zoo Flash going for 75 bucks. Nike React Flyknit 2's going for 90. That's a little bit high. We've seen. All right. We're gonna grab these Nike Dunks. We're gonna flip these actually, but we're gonna get the hell out of here because it's 9 o'clock and the workers, they gotta get home, man. They don't want to yell at us and say, get the hell out of here, but I know that's the way they feel because that's the way I would feel too. So yeah, let's pay for these and get the hell out of here.